Today's a really amazing day because I'm going on a boat to see the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a huge statue in the middle of New York Harbor. It was given to America by the French in 1886. The French gave the statue to America in representation of international friendship. Over the years, it has become a symbol of freedom and democracy. It was dedicated in 1886 and became a national monument in 1926. Often, one of the first glimpses of the U.S. that the immigrants on ocean voyages from Europe saw was the Statue of Liberty. The statue is a female figure dressed in a robe, holding a stone tablet in one hand and a flaming torch high in the right. On her head, she has a crown with 7 points, each point representing each continent. The torch is covered in several layers of gold leaf. The tablet that the statue is holding is imprinted with the Roman numerals July 4th, 1776. This is the date of the U.S. Declaration of Independence. The statue is formally called Liberty Enlightening the World. The copper skin of the statue is less than 2 pennies thick. There are 25 windows in her crown. The flame part has been changed 3 times. The statue weighs 450,000 pounds. And in case you haven't noticed, over 3 million people visit the monument every year. There's no information on how many hamburgers they sell, but I can assure you, it's a lot. If you ever come to New York City, be sure to put visiting the Statue of Liberty at the top of your list, because as Benjamin Franklin once said, where there is liberty, there is my country.